Hello kids, I hope you all are doing good and doing your assignments on time. I'm dying to meet you all. I hope that we'll meet soon and everything gets normal. Now this video is for grade 9, day 18, chapter 3, coordinate geometry. Today I'm going to start a new chapter which is coordinate geometry. This chapter is important because this you have to study in grade 10th also, and this is a very easy and scoring chapter. So you don't have to study much in this chapter, but it is a very scoring chapter. So let's first understand what coordinate geometry is, right? Well, Cartesian system of coordinates are used to describe the position of a point in a plane. So this is a Cartesian system. Now let's understand about this system and about the coordinate geometry. Basically, if I say coordinate geometry, it means that the branch of mathematics in which geometric problems are solved through algebra by using the coordinate system. Coordinate system means it defines a Cartesian system of coordinates which used to describe the position of a point in a plane. Suppose if I have represented a particular point, then I can identify the position of that point in a particular plane where that point is lying. So to know the position of a point, we use coordinate geometry. In simple layman language, if I can say that to know a position of a point in a plane, we use coordinate geometry because we can represent that particular point in the form of coordinates. The next topic related to this is that ordered pair. Now what is ordered pair? It is a pair of number A and B which is listed in a specific order with A at the first place and B at the second place. So this is called an ordered pair of A and B. So ordered is important because suppose if I have asked you to make a line in order of increasing order of your roll number, then definitely roll number 1 will come first, then second, then third, then fourth, right? And if I'll ask you to make it in a decreasing order, then definitely 4 will come first, then 3, then 2, then 1. So definitely the order matters over here, right? Similarly, in mathematics also, if I say that if I am representing a point whose coordinate is 2, 3, so the order is 2, 3. So this is not equals to 3, 2 because this will represent a different point. So the order are different in both the cases. So the order are different in both the cases. So here 2, 3 cannot be equal to 3, 2 because you will say 2 is present here, 2 is present here, 3 is present here, 3 is present here. Then why not equal? No, in coordinate geometry, both will represent different points. As I have explained here also that both will represent different point. For example, in the system, if I have to represent these 2 points, then this will be represented somewhere else and this will be represented somewhere else. That I'll be explaining in further videos of this chapter. Now let's understand that what coordinate axis is. Now we have understood that to represent point in a plane we use order pair. So order pair are used to represent a point in a plane. And order pair AB cannot be equal to BA. This you need to keep in your mind. Now let's talk about coordinate axis. Well, this is the position of a point in a plane is determined with reference to the two fixed mutually perpendicular line which are called coordinate axis. This is the definition part. I know this is a bit boring, but here you have to study little bit of theory, we'll be solving question based on that. So in simple language, if I can say that coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis. We know what x-axis is, we know what y-axis is, right? And x and y-axis are always perpendicular to each other. So this is exactly what I have written, fixed mutually perpendicular lines. So in coordinate geometry, we call it as coordinate axis. So we can determine the position of a point with respect to the coordinate axis. That's why the coordinate axes are important, because all the points are represented in reference to the axis only. So we can say that the two coordinate axes are named as x o x dash and y o y dash. This is my x coordinate, x dash o x, and this is my y coordinate, which is y o y dash. So this is, both are perpendicular. This is my origin, which is O, which is represented by letter O. This is my origin. So both x o x dash and y o y dash are the coordinate axes of a Cartesian plane. Now the horizontal line, this one x o x dash, is called x-axis, and the vertical line, this one y o y dash, is called y-axis, and the point O is the origin. So these are the basics about the coordinate geometry. Now let's talk about the convention of sign. The distance that we measure along x, ox and oy, that is ox and oy, are positive, because we know that on a number line towards right hand direction after 0 we represent positive numbers, and towards left hand direction we after 0 we represent the negative number. So similarly here also, ox will represent the positive axis, oy represent the positive axis on which we positive numbers will lie, and oy dash and ox dash will represent the negative axis on which negative number will lie. Now a very important point, normally question comes for 1 mark in the form of MCQ or fill in the blanks, is that all the points which are lying on the x-axis, or we can say that x coordinates, are also known as abscissa. You need to remember this name. This is very important, and you can star mark this, because in question there are possibilities that we cannot say that x-axis directly. Instead of that, I'll say abscissa. So x-axis coordinate means abscissa, and y coordinate is known as ordinate. So at place of y coordinate, I can say what is the ordinate of that particular point, which means that I am talking about the y coordinate, right? So a point has x coordinate and y coordinate both. In the next video, we'll learn about the quadrant, we'll learn about the sign convention, we'll learn about how to represent a point in the Cartesian plane. So subscribe the channel for the latest update. And today I'm not giving you any assignment question, because in the next video I need to explain more concept related to the coordinate geometry, and then after that I'll give you assignments to solve question based on that. Till then, take care and stay safe at home. The link of notes are there in the description part of the video. You can download it from there. Take care.